How's it going, everyone? I'm Nathan Foster, and as you can tell, this video is going to be a little bit different. If you're on a cell phone, you can just swipe left, right, up, and down. This video is completely virtual, 360 degrees. You can look whatever direction you want. If you're on the computer, there should be some arrows in the top left of the video. You can click on those to look whichever direction you would like to look. Let me know if you like this format. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. But keep in mind, this video is not a replacement for a qualified instructor.
All right. Ready for slow flight?
Sounds good. Looking clear, looking clear.
Okay, yep, looking clear.
We'll pick a heading. Do you want to do this heading?
Might as well.
All right, we'll point to Norfolk.
I'm gonna see that white patch right there, building, I think.
Sounds good.
All right.
We'll do
Ready?
this altitude. Yep, let's do it.
Oh,
there.
yeah, nice.
That's fine.
All right. We going full flaps?
Yep.
All right, here we go, full flaps. There we go.
There you go.
Little too slow there.
A little quicker to bump in the throttle.
Okay.
That'll help you hold your altitude a little better. There you go. Kind of picture it like landing. So power controls your altitude and pitch controls your airspeed.
Right.
There you go. Looking good. Right at 50. Right at 3,400. Nice job.
Okay. It is way smoother here than it was last week.
Yeah, which is odd. I thought it'd be really bumpy up here.
Me too.
Now it's clear.
Although we are right above Big Field, which is pretty even ground.
That's true.
Speaking of which, I'm gonna have to clear right.
Okay, clear right.
Clearing right.
Halifax traffic, Cessna 169, control is now 2 miles out, straight in 20, full stop. Halifax.
The radar's starting to pick up some little clouds with rain. It's not very reliable, but it will tell you kind of where something.
A little something, yeah.
It can be up to a 20-minute delay. Definitely don't use that to avoid thunderstorms.
Your eyes might be a little better than that.
All right, let's climb and slow flight back up to your 3,500.
Climb in slow flight?
Yep.
All right.
So this heading's fine. So full throttle. So you want every bit of that you can get.
Oh, full?
Yep.
All right.
Our little engine. There you go. Nice. There's not too awful much wind up here. So we're going 47 over the ground.
Okay, yeah.
Right at 50, so you get
That's
like
not bad.
4 knots. All right, you can recover.
Okay, recover from slow flight?
Yep.
All right.
Woo! Wind loves those flaps.
Uh-huh.
Get a level us off here at 35. Nice job. All right, next we'll do an emergency descent.
Okay.
And I want you to go to 2,500 feet.
500. Okay, so emergency descent is hard 45, let the nose drop. What am I doing with throttle? Obviously, I'm not pushing it in.
Yeah, it goes all the way out.
All the way out, okay.
So area's clear. We need to get down on the ground, so we're going to lose a lot of altitude.
All right, so you said 25. Here we go, ready?
Yep.
Do it.
Throttle, carpet, bank, let that nose kind of come down on its own. There's 45. And then you're catching top of the green arc. About 120 knots. Oh yeah. Let that bank do most of the work. Yeah, there you go.
Covered a little too late.
Yeah, it's okay. So you caught top of the green arc, you just forgot to catch it about 150 feet above, and then start. So you kind of sunk through it.
Yeah.
Other than that, that was good. We lost 1,000 feet in like 6 seconds.
All right, back up.
We could level off here at 25.
Okay.
It's a nice day today.
Beautiful. Of course, I think I say that every day. I think I just like being in the air.
It's much better than driving, right?
Oh, yeah. I mean, driving's nice, don't get me wrong, but yeah, this is better.
All right, let's do one of those things we were talking about. So let's do some ground reference maneuvers.
All right. Got a barn over there.
Yes, take your time, pick a point, do the CHAPS checklist. Remember the hardest part's to set up.
Oh man, figuring out the wind is going to be the hard part. I'm going to clear left.
You might be lucky. There might be not that much wind down there.
Yeah, that's true. Let's see here. Yeah, we're pretty even right there. I'm standing.
Well, that's okay. You want to come down, right?
Oh, right.
What altitude do you want to do?
Is that 1,000 or 600?
Yeah, 600 to 1,000. So pick either. I usually like to do them at 1,000.
All right, let's do 1,000.
Okay. 600 is a little low for my comfort. Wind is probably going to die off at 1,000 feet. Yeah, we got this. You got smoke. I don't see any smoke.
No.
The ripples over the water might tell you something.
Can't really see those yet.
The AWAS was saying 230, but you know the general direction.
Yeah. You know, it's kind of funny how when you're up here with all this wind, the wheels don't spin. I think they'd be spinning one way or the other.
Probably just the brake still grabbing hold of it a little bit. Like you said, the brakes are pretty good grabbing on there.
Oh, okay. Well, going left. Actually, I'm going to go over this road, then go left.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll do turns around the point first.
Yeah. All right, going left, also taking a look at the water. Oh, there's a guy plowing the field over there.
And then those tall towers, you see that one there?
Yeah, I do.
We'll watch out for that one and this one.
I don't see the one. Whoa, okay.
That one's a lot shorter.
Oh, I see that one. Yeah, yep.
That one's actually like 1,000, 1,200 feet.
Oh, no. He's fertilizing. Doing a real slow turn to the left.
Oh yeah. There you go, there's 1,000. 1,000 feet, 90 knots. Yeah, I don't see many ripples, so there can't be that much wind.
No.
Yeah, you're hardly getting
Yeah,
anything.
That's real close.
So you can enter it pretty much wherever you want when there's no wind.
Cool. Well, I'm going to use these barns.
Okay.
I go a little to get them on our left.
Yeah, you want to put that thing just like the runway about halfway up the wing strut.
Yep.
That'll give you a good distance.
All right.
We'll see if you can make a nice circle around the point.
All right.
What's the final call? Halifax.
There we are. There's 1,000.
Oh yeah, this looks like a good distance.
Yeah.
You know, circle Farmer Billy's.
Yeah. This is training for a photo op.
So there's no wind, so it's pretty much a 30-degree bank around the whole point.
That was something.
It came out of nowhere.
It did.
Yeah, so your eyes are mostly outside about 90% of the time, and then you could reference your airspeed altitude, just make sure you're not getting slow. It looks good. And tighten it up a little bit. You're a little too far away. Yeah, you want to be a little closer. Yeah, I find these much harder when there's no wind, because one of these days when you're out here doing these, you're going to really see the drift, which is going to force you to turn. This is a good distance. Oh yeah.
Woo, felt that.
And we'll do one more circle,
All right.
just so you can practice. Yeah, the closer you are, the more you can see that what you're correcting for.
Right.
You see how we're not really getting pushed?
Yeah.
There's like next to no wind.
I do think I got pushed a little bit there.
Yeah, might have been a little wind there. Overall, though, this one's much better than the first one.
He was out there watching us.
Is he?
Yeah. The truck and the trailer right there. At my 9 o'clock.
We'll come around one more time.
Of course, I guess everything's at my 9 o'clock right now, isn't it? Not really helpful. So one more?
Yeah, we'll do one more and we'll exit
right.
where you entered.
Okay.
Yeah, you feel a little bit of a headwind here, so lessen out the bank. There's not a lot, but a little bit.
Oh, something.
Let it fly out a little further, so it doesn't push you. There you go.
All right. Okay. And I'm gaining altitude while doing this.
You're fluctuating a little bit.
Yeah.
That's not too bad. And yeah, it's pushing you a little bit.
Yep.
There you go. And then when you swing back around where you entered, we'll exit.
Okay. Oh, he's got a dock on that little pond. I'm looking at our shadow. All right, this is about where I entered.
Yep. And then we'll just level off at 1,000.
All right.
And we'll find a point to do some S turns. Yeah, not bad. Your first one was wide. The second one was much better. And then the third one, you kind of tightened it up. But as you can see, the setup's pretty much the hard part.
Yeah.
Figuring out where the wind's coming from, so you know how steep to make your turns. Oh, there's a little smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much no wind. So find either a long road or something long and straight, like a power line, and we'll do some S turns.
Well, we could always use this road. Not perfectly straight, but not bad.
Yeah, this will work.
All right, sweet.
1,000 feet, 90 knots. There's no ground speed, so there's going to be nice half turns. So just like turns on point, these are little half circles.
All right, here we go. We are right above it.
Normally this would be the steepest, but you can just make a nice 30-degree turn.
Oh, there's some wind now.
It keeps fluctuating.
Yeah.
Looks good. The ideal is to be wings level over your road.
All right.
There you go, nice.
I think that was slightly more than a half circle.
And then we'll go to the right.
All right.
That time you got pushed a little further.
Yeah, I did.
The wind's really sneaky today.
Well, want to do it going the other way?
Yeah, the road kind of curves, doesn't it?
It does,
That's
big
okay.
time.
We'll climb back up.
All right, I'm going to turn around and climb.
Sounds good.
Oil temps are looking great. Pressure's pretty too, but I was more concerned about the temp.
Yeah, it'll get hot on days like this.
At Hampton Roads Helicopters, starting around now, they just take the doors off their trainers.
Oh, wow. That sounds awesome.
Oh, it's totally awesome.
There's a little smoke from that tractor.
Oh yeah, look at that. All right, what are we climbing to?
Let's go to 2,000.
All right, 3,000.
Chesapeake traffic, number 7 Delta Golf is over Blackwater. Going to pull in some maneuvers below 2,000 Chesapeake.
What did that guy say? Blackwater?
I'm not sure.
I think he said Blackwater. It's down there.
Only thing I understood was Chesapeake. I'll let him distract me.
All right, so let's walk through a couple emergency situations.
Okay.
So let's say you had an electrical fire.
All right, electrical fire. Sorry,
Oh, you're good.
fine. That's it there. Okay, there we go. Well, my mic doesn't want to stay put now. Okay. Electrical fire. So master off. Close the vents.
Yep.
If the fire goes out, we turn on thing individually. Try to figure out what it was.
Yep.
And then well, from here we just go to Chesapeake.
Yep, sounds good. What about an engine fire? So a little bit more.
All right, engine fire. So
simulated engine fire.
Right, simulated engine fire. So mixed off, throttle off, fuel selector 2 off, and if at that point if the fire doesn't go out, then we go 100 knots to put it out, and then we land.
Yep. So let's say you pull that out. Don't pull that out.
Right.
That thing's still on fire.
Okay. All right. Oh, you also check the wind, which at this point I think the wind is still coming from the north. So.
Yep. The thing's still on fire. So
right.
what are you gonna do?
Okay. Best glide.
Even if the engine's still on fire.
Oh no, the engine's still on fire. We go down. We go to 100.
Yep. Let's do that.
All right. Go to 100. All right.
As soon as you touch 100, we'll say it goes out.
All right, and the fire's out.
There we go.
Awesome.
Now,
okay.
what are you going to do?
All right, so I think the wind is still from the north. So I'd probably choose this green field.
Okay.
Here.
Now, you wouldn't try to restart it?
No. Couple instances where I do that. This is not one of them. Right, so best glide is 65.
Yep, 65. You got a little sticker to help you.
Which we're getting there.
Yep. Airspeed, ABC, best place to land, and then checklist.
Okay, come on.
So keep walking through it.
All right, so, oh man, I am fighting this thing. Come on.
Yeah, you could use the trim to help. There you go. That's better.
Wow. It feels like a mess. Okay. So, right, so we've already turned all that off. we squawk, but I don't remember what.
Yeah, so 7700 is a general emergency.
Okay.
We have 7700 ident, that way we're flashing.
Okay.
You hold this in for 3 seconds, 121.5, mayday, mayday.
Okay. So at this point, if we were still in emergency, with how great this glide has been, sort of, and I don't want to turn around, I would choose the field in front of us, green 1.
Are you going to choose that one?
Well, I mean, where would you go?
The whole ballsy? I would have picked, I mean, you got like 80,000 fields back here, but...
Well, I mean, true, but I don't want to turn around.
Yeah.
I mean, if I'm okay with...
At this point, you're stretching your glide, so...
Right.
I always set it up, try to always set it up like a pattern entry.
Okay.
But I think you might be able to pull out of this. Which one are you going to land in?
Well, I mean, at this point, and it's not perfectly ideal, but I'd kind of shoot that way.
Okay. And sounds good. You go ahead and climb back up.
All right. And right before we are fully down there, we unhook the doors.
Sounds good. We can turn back to big field while you climb to 2000.
All right.
Yeah, so always pick something sort of close. Try not to stretch your glide.
Okay.
Never know how long it's actually going to make. You had a lot of good fields over at big field. You could have set up for the downwind, made it kind of look normal with flaps, and then had a nice safe touchdown. You couldn't really see the terrain over here until you're getting close to it. But it looks pretty decent. I think we could have made something out of it.
And then afterward, the FAA basically takes a video. You know the YouTube channel Taking Off?
I don't think so.
So they kind of do some aviation news stuff, and then interesting stories that crop up, like the YouTuber who ditched his plane. What was it?
Yeah.
Trevor Jacob or something like that. Yeah. So FAA ruled on him already.
Yeah, I saw they revoked his cert.
Yep. You said 2000?
Yeah, 2000.
Okay. Well, anyway, they interviewed a guy that they landed in a cornfield. Unfortunately, since the corn was actually in season, plane flipped over.
All right, let's get the weather and we'll go back and do a couple landings.
All right, cool.
I know it's really, really hard to see.
Oh, I mean, I hit it. What am I missing?
I can't really see it. Let's just use this one.
Okay.
It's really dim.
Observation 1624 Zulu weather wind 210 at 10 gusts 17 visibility 10 ceiling 6,500 broken temperature 28 Celsius dew point 16 altimeter 3001 remarks density altitude 1,500.
All right, gonna clear right.
Okay. Looks clear.
Chesapeake Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 1624 Zulu weather wind 220 at 10 gusts 17 visibility 10 6,500 scattered temperature 28 Celsius dew point 16 altimeter 3001 remarks density altitude 1,500.
All right, did you get all that?
Yeah, I did.
Cool.
All right. Did I?
What's
Did I
your
do that
flight?
right? I hit that again.
20289, 3
Okay,
miles
sweet.
to the west, inbound.
All right, what temperature is that right now?
45, downwind for runway
You're looking
23,
at?
Chesapeake.
About 70 up here, 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow, nice.
It's a warm one.
Indeed. All right, I haven't heard anybody say anything different. I think we're still doing 2-3.
Yeah, that's what that guy just said.
I go to the right and cross the field.
Let's do it.
I am feeling much better this flight than yet last week.
That's good. Yeah, you seemed like you were tired last week. You caught off guard a little bit.
I was pretty tired. The plane felt different to me too.
Which one were we in?
289.
Oh, okay.
It felt like it handled different for me.
Yeah.
Of course.
Traffic Crusader 22, single helicopter, 500 feet, 4 miles to the northwest of the airfield, transiting southbound, along Cessna, along Chesapeake.
All right, so he's over there.
Yeah. He's at 500 feet, I think. Shouldn't be no factor.
But that could, that could also be rust at the same time.
Chesapeake traffic 20289 is entering downwind on the 45 for runway 23, stop and go.
Yeah, definitely. I believe that in order to retain knowledge, especially with flying, it's like riding a bicycle. If you don't do it for a month, they really start to kick back.
Oh yeah.
So I took a break from my training, and it was terrible.
But also hadn't drank enough. By the end of that flight, I wasn't feeling so hot.
All right. So how many miles do you think you are right now?
105.
I mean, how many miles from the airport?
Oh.
I was like, what?
I don't know, 3 maybe.
Yeah, you're about 4. So.
Okay.
And you're 4 to the southwest.
Okay. Chesapeake traffic 74 uniform, 4 miles southwest, runway 23. All right, I gotta get us a little further down.
Traffic Crusader 22, 500 feet, southbound, western side of the field, following the river.
All right, somebody on the river. Was that the helicopter still?
Turning base, runway 23, stop and go, Chesapeake.
Yeah, somebody's turning base. The helicopter should be no problem.
Yeah. All right, start heading that way.
Where we're at.
I was listening to that book from the FAA, and
Chesapeake traffic 20289 is turning.
I ended up like skipping the last chapter. I wasn't trying to skip the last chapter. I was trying to just skip ahead.
Yeah. What was the book called?
I'll have to show you. It's on my phone.
I gotcha.
But the last chapter,
22, 5 miles south, clear the airfield.
they're talking about apoxia, motion sickness, like all the different physical things that can happen to a pilot. And like I was driving while listening to it, and as I'm driving, listening to it, the worse and worse I felt.
No, I
I was
gotcha.
like, I don't need to mentally simulate any of these right now while I'm driving.
All right, descent checklist.
Okay.
They haven't really changed anything.
Okay. All right, I'm climbing again. Oh wait, I want to go over 2,000, right?
Yep.
All right, yeah, I need to climb a little bit. All right, descent, mixture, rich in. Yep, we are rich. Fuel both that earlier 2,300. Wait, no, wait. Carb heat as required. AWAS, yep. Altimeter is set. Instruments are looking good. HID compass, we don't have to worry about.
All right. So you can tell them we're over the field at 2,000 for the teardrop runway 23.
Chesapeake 74 uniform over the field at 2,000. Teardrop for runway 23.
Got one landing. And it looks like he's doing a stop and go.
Chesapeake traffic 289 is on the go, runway 23, Chesapeake.
We'll fly out to the pond and start coming down.
All right.
Horizon Aviation Services, King 160 Hotel Echo.
160 Hotel Echo, this is Horizon.
160 Hotel Echo, we're about 10 minutes out. We'll be dropping off one passenger and requesting top off on the outboards. Negative.
Let's go ahead and start coming down here.
All right.
Roger that. One passenger, top off outboards negative. We'll get it done.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Chesapeake traffic 289 is turning crosswind runway 23, Chesapeake.
All right. Clearing left. The helicopter said he was following the rivers. You mean now?
Yeah, he's way gone now. He should be.
Should be.
We have one dude on crosswinds.
Chesapeake traffic 20289 turning downwind runway 23, touch and go, Chesapeake.
Mike does not want to stay still. Smacking me in the face.
You have your cord on top of it? Oh no, it's just not, it's just broken, I guess.
Yeah, it's just sad.
Looking good. Looking for the downwind traffic, I don't see him yet. Could be a beam on our wing, but we'll follow him in.
I'm looking, I don't see
There he
anything.
is, I got him.
Got him?
About halfway down the runway. You can tell him we're entering 45 downwind with the traffic in sight.
Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform, entering 45 downwind with traffic inside, runway 23.
There you go. Yeah, this looks like good separation. I don't see anybody else.
Chesapeake traffic 20289 turning base runway 23, touch and go, Chesapeake.
I still don't see him.
He's way ahead of you.
I mean, I know he's turning right base, but I just don't see him.
Very good. Go ahead and cut in 45. Alright, I don't see anybody. Yeah, 289 is like camouflage in the trees.
Chesapeake traffic 20289 turning final runway 23, touch and go, Chesapeake.
There he is.
There he is.
You got him?
I got him now.
Cool. You can tell him we're right downwind, runway 23.
Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform, right downwind 23. He went pretty wide, didn't he?
Yeah. That's my student. He's on a check ride right now. Alright, so as soon as he's a beam you can start setting up the land. Watch your altitude.
Yeah, let's throttle back in.
Chesapeake Unicum, Skyhawk 42212, radio 10.
42212, Unicom, read you loud and clear.
Alright.
Wow, he's low. Alright.
You're set up to land first.
What? Oh, okay.
Yep, don't forget that step.
Okay, flaps 10.
Yep. And don't forget the car beat.
Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform, right base, runway 23.
So now you're pretty much almost in slow flight again, so you're pitching for airspeed, power for altitude.
Going around.
Okay.
23, Chesapeake.
I'm pitching for 65, right?
That is correct, yep. Finals clear, mixtures rich, looking good. Go ahead and cut your landing light on.
Chesapeake traffic, King Air 160 Hotel Echo, descending out of 5,000. We're about 20 miles to the south, inbound for the right downwind runway 23, Chesapeake traffic.
There's a pitch for 65, power for altitude.
A little too far. Too bad, but a little too far.
Yeah, there's two things you can do about being high. So you can add more flaps, or you can take out power.
All right. Well, that's... Power's already pretty low. Let me add more flaps.
Yep, watch the balloons. Feel the nose popping up.
Yep, there it went.
Every time you add flaps, it wants to climb again. There you go. Right on airspeed. Here, the red lights are going to start coming in here in a second. There you go. Nice job.
Chesapeake traffic,
All right, there's the first one.
turning crosswind, runway 23, touch and go, Chesapeake.
7-4 uniforms on final, runway 23. Touch and go, Chesapeake.
Thanks.
Oh, you're good. I didn't know if you said it or not.
No, I hadn't said it yet.
This is looking good.
All right.
Keep pitching for 65.
Chesapeake traffic 20289, turning downwind, runway 23, Chesapeake.
Looking real good. Real small corrections in here.
All right.
Wind's pretty much right down the runway. Alright, bring the power to idle. Oh, don't flare high. Don't flare way too high. Way too high. Right about here. Now you start flaring. There you go.
Okay. Too high.
Flaps up, carpet in, and we'll do another one.
All right.
Carpet in.
Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform, going around. Okay, everything's looking good. Speed's alive. Rotate.
As the approach looked really pretty. Nice airspeed, glide path, powered idle, and then you just, we were about 15 feet off the ground. You started your transition.
Okay.
A little bit lower.
10 miles to the south, descending out of 3,000. We'll be entering the right downwind runway 23, Chesapeake Regional.
Chesapeake traffic 20289, turning base, runway 23, touch and go, Chesapeake.
All right, so technically what we did wasn't a go around. What should I have said there?
Just taking off 2-3.
Okay.
We got a King Air coming in, so we'll watch out for them. Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform. We'll extend the upwind leg for the King Air.
Thank you.
He's going quite a bit faster than we are, so.
All right.
Chesapeake traffic 20289,
right.
turning final runway 23, touch and go, Chesapeake.
Getting pushed by the wind a little
Chesapeake
bit.
Oh,
traffic,
yeah.
King Air 160 Hotel Echo,
Could've
right
seen the
down
turn coordinator for a second there.
Okay, go ahead and start turning. Actually, where is he? He's right off our nose somewhere. Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform, right crosswind, following the King Air, Chesapeake.
I don't see him yet.
Throttle back, 1,000 feet. There he is. You're good. He's going
I got
a
him.
lot faster than we are.
20289 is on final. We're going to make this a
I was looking
stop.
too low.
Yeah, they fly their patterns at 1,500.
Okay.
Chesapeake traffic, the King Air 160 Hotel Echo, beam numbers runway 23, and we have the landing traffic in sight. Chesapeake.
Oh, he's going way out there.
Yeah, he's going to be going a little bit faster.
traffic, hangar 160 Hotel Echo, right base, runway 23, Chesapeake.
There he is.
We'll make ours a full stop.
Okay.
Chesapeake traffic 20289 is clear runway 23, Chesapeake.
Chesapeake traffic, hangar 160 Hotel Echo, 2 mile final, runway 23, Chesapeake.
Chesapeake traffic 20289
Big one.
is back to FX, Chesapeake.
Nice turbo prop.
Yeah.
So you could start setting up a little sooner because he's going to be a little faster.
Okay.
Power back, RP, then flaps. You can start your turn.
Chesapeake traffic, 74 uniform on the right downwind, runway 23, landing traffic inside.
A little more pitch. There you go, get that airspeed up. Square off your turns a little bit. You can do 30 degrees in the pattern.
Okay.
There you go. Looks clear, looks clear. That pitch going. Don't want to get slower than 65. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, there you go.
Chesapeake traffic, 74 uniform on final, runway 23.
Airspeed's good. You're just a touch high. This looks really good.
Okay.
Either take out power or you can add another notch of flaps.
We do another notch.
There you go. There come the red lights. Perfect, looking good.
Chesapeake traffic, hangar 160 Hotel Echo, clear runway 23 on Bravo. Chesapeake.
A little bit, just a touch of right crosswinds, a little right on left rudder. Looking good, looking good. Ooh.
Yeah. Felt that.
Yep. Don't get too slow. You're looking good. Don't get too slow.
Say again?
Don't get too slow.
Okay.
Airspeed looks real good though.
It did.
There, come a little more to the right.
Right.
Just a touch of right crosswind. It's a little gusty.
Yeah.
This looks good.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and start taking the power out. Now keep coming down. Keep coming down. Don't start your flare yet. Right about here. Oh, not too much. That's all right. Fly it out. Let it fly. Let it fly. Let it fly.
Okay.
Now hold it. Hold it right here.
Holding.
There you go.
Okay.
We gotta get that sight picture down.
Yeah.
I think you're really struggling figuring out where you want to start your transition.
Yeah, I am.
Sometimes it's too late.
Unicom 449er Charlie Sierra radio check.
Too late and too much.
449er
First time
Charlie
it's too
Sierra,
early,
Unicom
last
reach
time it's
11
too late.
clear.
So we'll get it down.
42212 departing runway 23, Chesapeake.
We haven't really perfected your landings yet, so.
No. Chesapeake traffic, 74 uniform, clear of runway 23 on C. All right. Oh, that air feels good. All right. Okay, after landing, flaps up, RP off, strobes off. Oh, wait. Strobe.
This one's strobe.
There we go.
I know it's hard to see.
Off. Landing light off. Oh, yep. Taxi is required. Oh, taxi light required. That makes more sense. Torpedo heat is off, yep. Mixture as required.
All right.
And trim for takeoff. Yep, there we go.
We'll taxi back to
Transponder,
Epic.
stand by.
Yeah, boy.
There we are. Beautiful. Okay. Chesapeake traffic, 7-4 uniform, taxiing back to Epics.